Hey Chasing J's fam, today I'm going to walk you guys through how to install the new Chasing J's titanium pedal. Now this installation is highly recommended that you use a professional to install this, as this is an advanced installation. It's more tricky when the pedal is actually underneath the dash, but for demonstration purpose we have pulled the pedal out and put it on our vise. Now this installation applies mainly to the 10th gen Civic, Fk8 and the S2000. They use the Honda Sport pedal, which has an aluminum back and with rubber dots. They are riveted on, and so to install them, we need to de-rivet the pedal, and to do so, we need to drill them out. You will need a 1/4-inch drill bit plus a drill, and you'll be drilling the OEM rivet out like so. Now the OEM rivets or ROR rivets has a hole in the middle, so just line your drill bit with that and then slowly drill it out. Once the rivet head starts to spin, then you know that the rivet head has broken off. Like so. You pull off the rivet head. You can, now sometimes there will be the rivet back left behind. You can use a screwdriver or you can use a punch, whichever you have. I use a screwdriver, push it off, it comes off like so. Get to the side. Next, to install the titanium pedals, you will use the supplied rivet, and you will need a rivet gun. Now, if you do not have a rivet gun, we do offer them on our site for $10 each. Now, to do so, you will take your titanium pedal, line it up with the hole. I like to use a little bit of painter's tape to prevent any scratches and also hold the pedal in place, so like so. Usually when I rivet, my hand moves to the right, so I will be covering the right side mainly. Now, if you have never used a rivet before, the rivet uses pressure from the gun as you clamp it, pulls the rivet through, and it creates a bubble in the back of the pedal, just like OEM, like so, and it will hold the rivet in place. So to do so, you will take your 1/8 rivet that we supply, put it through the rivet gun, make sure it's flush, and you gotta make sure the surface is flush with the pedal as well when you put them on. All right? Then you'll be clamping it until you hear the rivet gun snap. Rivet is installed. Now the rivet stick is stuck inside the gun, so you might do it a couple of times until the rivet comes out before you load the next rivet. And see, the rivet part will fall out. I call it the stick. Next up, that one's easy. Click it a couple of times. Stick your new rivet on, and it'll fall, the old rivet stick comes out. And that's the purpose for the tape, because your rivet gun will move and you might scratch your pedal. Taping on there protects the pedal. And when you're done, remove the tape. And titanium pedals installed. These pedals are great for grip. During wet season, they provide superior grip than OEM. It doesn't wear out like the rubber bushing on the OEM. Enjoy, and remember, do this at your own risk. Thank you.